Motivus, a year of innovation and impact, celebrating our first anniversary. 15 new customers won, 10 strategic partners announced, 7 accelerators launched, new offices opened in Mexico, Brazil, and Argentina, delivered countless successful transformations worldwide. But Motivus is more than milestones. It's about how we move forward together, the Motivus way. Our mission, human potential, digitally delivered. Our vision, we are all part of this acceleration. Together, we've laid the foundation for growth, people strength, and profitability. One team spirit, we only win if we win together. Respect and kindness, where everyone thrives. Sense of urgency, success won't wait for us. Growth mindset, we adapt, learn, and evolve every day. Our culture comes alive through our people. The MotiStars Awards celebrated more than 100 nominations across 5 countries, highlighting 10 stories that inspire all Motivers to live our culture every day.
I think at Motivus, we are fortunate to have an incredible combination of talent.
This approach helped remove confusion and build accountability, and I received positive feedback from many colleagues who appreciated the clarity.
Our leaders across the globe share their voices answering the question, what does Motivus mean to you 1 year later?
As I look at the past year, I see Motivus as an epitome of customer focus. I'm proud to see our people solving customer problems every day, bringing state-of-the-art AI technologies and mindset to the stage. We're all about customers. We're all about innovation. I see it, I live it every day, and I love it.
To me, Motivus is proof that consulting doesn't have to feel like consulting. It feels like collaboration, creativity, and impact.
Motivus means momentum, attacking new uncharted territories and building a new company journey overall.
Motivus means digitalization but with real purpose, along with customer orientation and also sense of urgency and resilience.
Motivus to me means resilience and transformation. Over the past year, we have challenges, grow together, and started building something unique in our industry.
Looking back over the past year, Motivus has came to mean something really powerful to me. It's not just a company. It's a place where ideas turn into real solutions.
Motivus drives transformation through action.
For me, Motivus shows that while change is the only certainty, it can also be a powerful force that brings out the best of us.
Hello everyone. Motivus is a very warm place that we can together make a huge impact for our clients.
Looking back on this past year, Motivus to me means passion, resilience, and possibility.
For the past year, this has been my first experience working with nearshore, with talent that's in locations like Mexico, Brazil, and Argentina.
40,000 followers across social media, a growing community of innovators. 1 year down, a future of innovation ahead. This is just the beginning. Motivus, engineering intelligence for the modern digital business.